Hello beautiful people, welcome or welcome back again to my channel. Hope everyone is doing wonderfully well. In this video we are making oven baked Ghana chips recipe. This chips was so crunchy and delicious. Trust me, you're going to love this. So into a bowl I'll go in with my flour, some nutmeg, baking powder. I'll also add a little bit of sugar and also milk powder. So these are my dry ingredients which I'm going to use, and I'll also leave the quantity of the ingredients in the description box below. If today is your first time of seeing this channel, you are welcome to Getty Cooks, where we make easy food recipes here. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do that and be part of this amazing family. So at this point I'm stirring all the dry ingredients together, and it's time for me to add my margarine, and I'm using the salted margarine. You can also use the non-salted one, they all work perfectly. Okay, so if you don't have the margarine, you can also use the butter for this recipe, whether salted butter or the one with the non-salted. So I will start by first rubbing the margarine in the flour with my finger. While that is going on, I just want to thank my returning subscribers. Thank you guys so much for always commenting on my video. I'm truly grateful and God bless you all. To my new subscribers too, you guys are welcome on board, and thank you for subscribing to my channel. I'm on all socials, that is Facebook, Instagram, TikTok and YouTube Short. So if you want a detailed short videos, you can watch me on TikTok and also YouTube Short as well. Okay fam, so as you can see, the margarine and the flour are well combined at this point. So moving forward, I'll go in with my wet ingredient. So I have some grated onion and also grated garlic. That is what I'm adding now, and I'll just mix everything together. I'm not going to add any water. I'll mix it gradually until a dough is formed. Okay fam, so at this point our dough is nicely formed, and I'm going to put this in the fridge for 5 minutes before rolling them. So after 5 minutes on my board, I will add some flour and then also add a little bit on my rolling pin, and then add my dough, the one I kept in the fridge, and start rolling the dough. So I'm going to roll this gently. Thank you so much if you are still with me up to this time. I'm truly grateful, and if you haven't given this video a thumbs up, please do, and also share this video among your friends and family for them to watch, so that YouTube can also recommend my video to other people. After rolling the dough, this is the thickness that I'm going for. I will then go ahead and trim the edges of the dough and then cut them into any desirable shape and sizes that I want. So guys, I'm going in for this design, and if you don't have this to make your design, you can also use your knife and cut it to any shape and size that you want. So this is what I went in for, and after that I also cut it into this shape, this rectangle shape. Okay, so here is our nicely cut dough, and this is going into the oven for 30 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. So after the time, here is our lovely oven baked chips, looking so flaky and delicious as well. Guys, let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying this recipe. And thank you so much for watching this video up to this point. If you do enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up and also share this video among your friends and family. So guys, let's check how flaky our chips is. Just look at this, looking so yummy. So I come your way again, guys. See you in my next upload, and thanks for watching this video. Bye.